I'd like you to meet Bartholomew, my little beaver caricature, and he's been swimming around the lake and chopping down trees all day, having a real good time. And didn't he go and get a big hunk of wood stuck up here in his teeth? And so he is trying to pick that out. So he's a picking and grinning. He's gonna have swimming trunks. He's been out swimming all day and playing in the pond, chopping down trees with his teeth. And I like to create a story in my head to go along with all my pieces. I think it helps you carve, to make add character to them, add interest to them. If I think you can get more expression in his face if you really think of him as a happy little beaver playing in his pond. We'll get a big smile on him. If he was a distressed beaver having problems with his beaver girlfriend or something, we'd have him real sad and everything, and I would be thinking of that in my head as I was carving, and that would help me to develop the personality of the piece. And I think that's important no matter what you're carving, but especially these animals for me. If I kind of have a backstory to them, what they're doing, we're not just carving a lifeless figure. They have a personality, and if you kind of develop that in your head, no matter what you're carving, I think it'll come out in your work. Down here where the knot hole is, I'll burn that a little. And up underneath here, I'll burn that out a little. Because I carved against the grain of the wood there's a lot of fuzzies in there. And I'll clean it up with this and also help to create shadow.